Hello lovelies, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you this party style Savory chips. It's very easy to put together, very delicious, and it's very crispy. You will love this. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now let's get started. To a bowl, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. Next, I'll also go in with some matured blended coconuts. Moving forward, I'll go in with nutmeg, sugar. Next, I'll go in with some salt to taste. Next on the list, I'll also go in with salted butter. Last but not the least, I'll mash one banana. Trust me, all these ingredients coming together took the taste of the Savory chips to another level. You will love this, trust me on this one. So now let's mash the banana, and once that is done, I'll add it to my ingredients. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I used and the quantity as well in the description box for you to check it out. So do check it out after the video. Alright, so now I'm not going to go in with any water. I'm going to be using evaporated milk to mix my dough. And don't forget, I use water to blend the coconut, so the dough itself is a little bit soft. So when going in with the milk, just be very careful you don't go in with a lot of milk. If you don't have the milk as well, feel free to use water and you are good to go. Now let's combine everything together until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So next, I'll remove it from the bowl, and moving forward, I'll begin to knead it a little bit for about 1 minute, and once that is done, we will proceed by rolling it out until I get to the right thickness that I'm looking for. Always make sure to dust your working surface because we don't want the dough to be sticking to it at all, okay? Now, whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now after rolling out the dough, this is the thickness that I have. It's a little bit thick, and I really want my chips to really come out very crispy, so I needed to roll it out a little bit, and this is what we have. It's looking just perfect, just as I want it. So I'll set it aside and I'll repeat the same process until I am done with everything. At this point, if you are still with me and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing recipe as well? Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so moving forward, let's heat up our cooking oil. Use any type of oil of your choice, okay? Let's allow it to heat up for about 2 minutes, and once that is done, I will test it with one of the dough to see if it's nice and very hot. And as you can see, the chips is floating, and that indicates that it's ready for me to go in with the rest of my chips. So I'll split it like this. You can also cut it using your knife, your scissors, and you are good to go. But splitting it makes it very beautiful after frying, and also it makes it more presentable, trust me. So now let's add everything to the oil, and we're going to fry this on low medium heat. Kindly note it. Now let's fry this on low medium heat until everything turns out very perfect. While that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still done that yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on the chips after 2 to 3 minutes, and this is how it turned out. It's looking all golden, crispy, and very presentable, just the way I wanted. So now let's remove everything from the oil, and once that is done, I'll repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Christmas is approaching, and also there are going to be a lot of parties. So if you're thinking of making any get together or any big party, trust me, this coconut and banana Savory chips is the best chips for that party that you want to make. Trust me, everybody will love it. Alright, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this delicious and crispy coconut and banana Savory chips. I hope you're going to try and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Now see how crispy the chips turn out. As I always say, always trust the process. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in my next upload. Bye.